Alright, what's up guys? Today we're just making a real quick tutorial video, maybe a minute or so, on creating a new article in Joomla. Joomla, awesome. So here we are at the login screen. Use your user password for super administrator, get in. Up here in the top main navigation, you're going to go under content, article. Article will bring you to all your articles, but in this case we're actually going to go straight to creating a new article. This new article here, we'll just give it the name new article page. Now the alias is what's going to draw out the URL of the article. In this case, we'll just leave it. If we wanted anything specific, we can make that, but otherwise it'll just self-generate whatever the article title is. In this case, this will be a fine title. And here we'll just add the content of the article. Article page is coming soon. Maybe center it. Maybe we can add a bold, and maybe we can even just real quick underline it. So here's our new article. What do you know, guys? New article. Look at that. All done.